Hello again, this is Charlie with Chicagoland Home Inspectors, and this is your 1 minute inspection tips. Today we're going to be talking about dryer vents. So whether you're listing or showing, when you're walking around the outside of the house, take a look at the dryer vent, lift up the latches, look inside. When you start seeing all this lint up in here, I can't tell you how many times we get buyer's remorse when they show this. It looks like the owner of the home is not maintaining their home. This is something that should be cleaned out regularly. When it gets clogged, the inconvenient things, the clothes don't dry. The dangerous things, they do start house fires. Getting them cleaned is roughly $200 in today's world, so it's not that big of a deal. However, it just shows lack of maintenance. So let's get the houses prepped for sale, and this is a nice, easy thing that we can do. This is our 1 minute tip, and thank you for listening.